friend, let's review the 4 new sounds we've learned. When the symbol glows, say its name with me. Ah. P. V. Great job! Now it's time to earn another star for our ticket to the annual sound celebration. Let's meet up with the rest of our sound friends and see what game they have for us today. Our game today is Sound Selector. In this game, there will be 4 pictures and 1 symbol on the screen. You'll need to figure out which picture has the same first sound as your symbol. Let me show you an example. What sound does this symbol represent? Right. So we need to find the picture that starts with the sound. The pictures are of a tree, map, sun, and cat. Which one begins with the sound? Map. Right. Tree, sun, and cat do not start with so map is the correct answer. Let's try one more example together before we start the game. What sound does this symbol represent? Ah. Now take a look at these pictures. Which one begins with the ah sound? Did you say the apple? Awesome! I think you're ready to play the game. Do your very best so we can earn that star for our ticket to the annual sound celebration. Let's begin. R for ring. Hat. Nose starts with n. V, v, vacuum. Ah for octopus. Pig starts with p. Nice work, friend! Another star appeared on our ticket. We still have some more stars to collect before we can attend the annual sound celebration. That means there are more sounds for us to meet. Next time, we'll continue our adventure in Soundtown and meet 2 new sounds. Until then, keep practicing the sounds you've already learned, and remember to always be clever. I'll see you next time. Hey, hey.